Hey guys, today with the Galaxy A34, we'll be exploring more about its cameras, seeing if it has a shot at taking raw format images. The question is, can it shoot in raw format? So let's not waste any time, let's jump right in. Firstly, let's take a brief moment to explain what is a raw format image. A scene, it is an uncompressed and unprocessed data captured by the camera sensor. All smartphones can capture in RAW, but not all of them are allowed to do so by default. But can the Galaxy A34 be able to capture in such? Well, let's find out. Before going any further, let me make this clear. The Galaxy A34 5G has no capability by default or by any secondary application from Samsung to use a RAW format. And as we can see, if you open your camera settings, there can be found no RAW toggle for the Galaxy A34. So the question is, how can we achieve such? Firstly, opening the Galaxy A34's camera app, you'll navigate all the way to the More section, and there you will press or open Pro Mode. Then press the color tone toggle found in the top right corner. Then you'll see contrast, saturation, shadows, and tint. And what you will do is select contrast and reduce it to a -10. Doing the same with the saturation, reducing it to a -10. Then you're going to leave the highlights, shadows, and tint on a 0. Then you can take your picture. After you take your picture, if you want to restore everything back to normal again, press the restore button to revert settings to normal. Then, now let's switch to the video side. Going back and navigate into the More section. And now you're going to select Pro Video instead of Pro Mode. Then seeing a similar layout, you're going to press the color tone toggle found in the top right corner. Then you will see a similar layout from the Pro Mode, finding your contrast, saturation, shadows, and tint. Select your contrast and reduce it to a -10. Do the same with the saturation slider, reducing it to a -10, leaving the shadows, highlights, and the tint. Start recording in your color tone edited RAW, and record in your normal mode to see the difference. So yes guys, this was my take on the color tone edited RAW format on the Galaxy A34. Hoping this gave you an insight on what RAW is and how it might look like. Hoping to hear your thoughts down in the comment section, and please like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to grow and support the channel. Hope to see you next time. Hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day.